New mold. Basstackle.com send us over a new mold. We're gonna open it up and check it out. Boom, there it is. This is the BT Dice Mold. So let's get some plastic warmed up and let's shoot this puppy. All right, so here's the dice mold one more time. 8 cavity from Basstackle, the BT mold. Let's go ahead and get the plastic warmed up. Let's do a cup. All right, we got our 1 cup of plastic soil right here. And get that stirred up. Add our colors, and we're going to shoot this BT Dice Mold. Show you what it looks like. Here, let me bring you down here. There we go. We're just going to pour some June bug real quick. It's a really good color. We're gonna do some purple, 1/8 of a teaspoon. This will be good, this will be good. So we're gonna get our mold put together here. So we're gonna put it in our vise. We're gonna be shooting with our single 10-ounce injector from Basstackle as well. All right, our plastic soil is hot. We got that June bug with some purple flake. Get it into the mold, see what it looks like. Crack her open, see what it looks like. Hey, there she goes. Look at that. Dude, that's pretty. Simple, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The dice, BT dice. That looks really good. All right, let's take one of them off, check it out. You can get a close-up on it. Looks really good. Then I got one strung up already. It's ready to go, diced up. We got them in the little green pumpkin as well. Add your choice color of skirts, and you're ready to go. Huge shout out to Basstackle.com for sending us this mold to test out and share with you guys. It's available right now for $99 on their website. Use my code SNATCHIN and you'll save 5% on checkout.